Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So for this video, let's talk about the ultimate guide to Minecraft LAN parties. So how to host and join a Minecraft LAN game? Step 1. Connect on the same network. This is the most important step. Make sure since you're using LAN, you're connected on the same network, maybe Wi-Fi or wide router. Alright? Step 2. Open your Minecraft world. On the host computer, launch the Minecraft and open the world you want to play together. Take note about that one. On the host computer. Alright? Step 3. Enable the LAN game sharing, so press the escape key while in the game. Again, this is the host computer. Click Open LAN, choose your game settings like Survival, Query Mode, Cheats on and off. Click the Start LAN word. And step 4, note the port number for that one. After starting the LAN world for here, Minecraft will display a message like local game hosted on port 54321. You have to write down this number since you're gonna need it for manual connections later on. Step 5, join the LAN game from another computer. Click multiplayer, click the LAN world you want to join. So if this doesn't appear, click the direct connect and enter the host company and port number. This one right here. And enjoy your LAN party. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.